Hi everybody, I'm Andrew with Riverbed Builders. Today we're going to be restoring kind of an older feature. So it's a preformed pond with a pretty neat spitting face, I guess is what you'd call it. But it's going into a preformed pond, which is kind of creating a lot of maintenance, and I'll show you an example of that. But we're going to pull it out and put one of our AquaBasins in by Aquascape, and make this thing a lot less maintenance and kind of give it a new look. So let's check it out. So you can kind of see, so it's an actual preformed pond, which we see quite a bit. You can kind of see a little bit of it there. But you see it's kind of collecting debris, which sinks to the bottom and becomes a lot of maintenance. The homeowner's not going to be keeping fish in here any longer. So there's really no point of having this open body of water. So we're going to pull this out, get the hole prepped, and put an AquaBasin in. Laying our basin out just to see where we want it to go with the viewing points of the deck and any area out here. We're getting ready to excavate and put this thing in the ground and put it where it needs to be. Excavated, and as you can see, we try to focus on nice sharp edges, so when we backfill, nothing settles or sinks, and we have a nice flat bottom in here. We're going to go ahead and test the basin and see if it fits. Usually this takes a couple tries to get this thing in there how we want it, but you want to make sure that you're not way below ground level, so you want your edge a little bit higher, and then we're going to check for level. So you want it level side to side. And if it's not level, you just pull it back out and try again.
So this is what we came up with the spitting face in this fountain. So we're gonna have a bubbling boulder here and here the water bubbles out of, and then he'll spit water out of his face that comes down the front of the boulder. So we're kind of fitting everything together and seeing how it looks, trying to get, you know, his cheeks kind of fitting in there like they've been there forever. And this is pretty much the final product. We're almost done. We got to make a few more connections here, but you can see this is actually not going to be in there. But so you can kind of see what we did here with the statue's face, and kind of molded it into the rock work. Next step is getting the pump hooked up. The pump's going to go down in here, and then we will test it out and see what it looks like.